Welcome back, everybody. It's Jeff again with J&K Stay in Vegas with another episode of Moving Mondays. Now, I was telling you about 89134 in our past video, and in this video, I'm going to show you what a home in 89134 looks like. Kind of a median-priced home, and then a median-priced townhome. Both of these properties are going to be single-story homes. So again, one is going to be a single-family residential home, and then the other one's going to be a townhome. So let's get into Sun City Summerlin and go check them out. Okay, everybody, we are going to go take a look at this place here in Sun City. This is a 1,400 square foot home, and we'll take a look and check it out. Very nice and open ceilings, nice modern light here. Some hardwood floors. These are probably manufactured, but still very nice and clean. This is a 2-bedroom, 2-bath home. Some ceiling fans in here. Show you what the outside looks like, but nice plantation shutters. As you can see here, looking to your outside. We'll check that out in a second. Closet here. Not bad. Some storage there too. Nice. Some modern door handles here. Laundry and towels and things like that can go here. And you got a full bathroom. Very nice and modern. I like this. Nice rain shower head. Very nice. Nice and clean and modern. This home here is $548,000. So you can see what you get for $548,000. About $70,000 or $80,000 above the medium home. But nice appliances. Beautiful little dining area here. A lovely backyard. We'll go take a look at that. And you kind of have your living room here. We just walked in, look, got a coat room here. This again is 1,400 square feet, 2-bedroom, 2-bath. Says it was just recently remodeled. Here's where your washer and dryer would go, and you actually have a sink here, which is really nice in the laundry room. And the garage door, nice little indent here to put maybe a nice picture. And this here is the other bedroom. Very nice and cozy. And the master here, which has the dual sinks here. And then similar to the other bathroom, a nice rain shower head. And a mirrored closet here. Drawers built in, very nice. Shelving for more clothes to hang. And the really cool modern touches, light fixtures, and a little window up there to bring in some natural light. So let's go check out the little backyard over here. And then I'll tell you some dimensions of these rooms so you can get an idea. It's a little hard to tell on camera. this is your backyard. Very nice size. So if you have a pup, this will be a nice area. And this probably takes you around to the front of the house. Yes. So there's no gates here. I don't even know if there's a gate on the other side, or if it just follows along. Yep, just goes on the other side of the house. So that may or may not bother you that there's no gates to your backyard. Yeah, that is it. Now let's take a look at some of the measurements of these rooms. So this will be your second bedroom. This is 12 by 14. So to give you an idea of the space in here, not too big, but not bad at all. The living room here is 13 by 11, but since it's really open, you really don't feel like that. There's also this area here as well, which technically isn't a part of the living room. It's really just this part here. And then let's go check out the master. The master here is 13 by 16, so a little bit bigger. And of course you have these vaulted ceilings, and then you've got a little shelving up there for some knickknacks and some pieces of art or whatever you want to put up there. So if you want to see this home in person, if you're coming out here to Vegas, just let me know. And my email contact information is always in these videos of Moving Mondays. But let's keep going. All right, everybody, so that was a single family residential home. Again, about 1,400 square feet, 2 bedroom, 2 bath. Now let's go take a look at a townhouse. Yes, they do have some townhomes here in Sun City. Townhomes are becoming a little bit more prevalent. Builders have now focused a little bit more on townhomes. If you want to find a townhome, but yet you're not over 55 and older, don't sweat it, because there are some here in town, and it's a good way to get into your starter home, and you're not in a condo with people above you or below you, which is just pretty much a glorified apartment, right? All right, here is a townhome here in the Sun City community, and we're gonna go take a look at it. This nice front area, this gate here. And as we get in here, I'll tell you some more details and show you what this home looks like and how much it is. All right, everybody, so let's go check out this townhome. This is a 2 bedroom, 1 bath townhome. This is $315,000, so just a little bit over the median for condos and townhomes. Has a nice manufactured wood, looks pretty nice. You got a kitchen over here, nice lamp. Appliances are a little dated, nothing fancy, but pretty affordable in this day and age. Got a sliding glass door here to go outside. Let's take a look at the little outside patio backyard. So you do have a little fence here, but if you had a pup, they'd probably get through this. But if you don't have a doggy, this might be just a perfect little area for you. Let's go check out the rest of the place. So that's where we came in right there. Nice ceiling fan, so that's nice. So you got the garage there. And this looks like the master. It's 14 by 12. Got a little closet here. No walk-ins or anything. but that might be all right. But you got a closet on this side too, so that's nice. Another ceiling fan in here. Nice view to the outside where we just were right over here. And a little Jack and Jill bathroom here from the hallway. Pretty basic, but affordable. All right, let's go check out the second bedroom. As you kind of saw it a little bit as we came from over here. So this is your second bedroom, but looks like they're using it as a home office. And this here is 11 by 10. So not bad. Can work for a home office or a second bedroom. The kitchen, by the way, is 10 by 10 and does have its own door to just go and sit on your front patio here. Little pantry, not bad. Nothing fancy here, but it'll do the job. And this living room is 16 by 12. And then you got a little dining room area. Again, this home is 1,046 square feet, $315,000. And it is a townhome in the 55 and older community of Sun City Summerlin. And for all of you that would like to know, property taxes out here are pretty reasonable. This happens to be $1,610 yearly. And the monthly HOA, it says $435, but I believe that's every quarter. So you can see, again, it's pretty expensive, but they do a lot of the upkeep and you get that whole community pool and all those other benefits of living in this type of community. So yeah, that is what a townhome looks like for $315,000 here in Las Vegas in a 55 and older community. Let me know if you would like to see it.
Well, everybody, that's going to do it for this episode of Moving Mondays. 2 homes that you can find in the Sun City Summerlin area, and one being that single-story family home and the other one being a townhome, and kind of the prices and what you can expect here in Las Vegas, at least in a 55 and older community. Again, hope you've enjoyed this video. Please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to J&K Stay in Vegas. It's the best way to support us, and it's absolutely free. If you ever want to see any of the homes or any of the areas here in Las Vegas, or you need help moving out here or selling your home out here in Las Vegas, I have 5-star ratings on Google. You can even look me up. All right, everybody, until the next one, stay safe and stay silly. Bye-bye, everybody.